Exercise number 5. Ready? Start. Honorable members, in order to enhance the profitability of agriculture, my government is also placing emphasis on creating modern agricultural infrastructure. The Agriculture Infrastructure Fund for rupees 1 lakh crore has also been started for this purpose. The Kisan Rail, started throughout the country, is helping chart a new course by increasing the access of Indian farmers to new markets. This rail is like a mobile cold storage. So far, over 100 Kisan rails have been started, which have enabled the farmers to transport over 38,000 tons of food grains and fruits and vegetables from one region to the other. In order to increase the income of farmers, my government has also focused on development of livestock as a source of income. As a result, the livestock of the country has been increasing at an annual rate of 8.2% over the last 5 years. The government has also set up the Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund for rupees 15,000 crore for creating basic infrastructure and encouraging investment in dairy sector. My government has also extended the facility of Kisan credit cards to animal husbandry and fishery sectors. Efforts have been undertaken to increase the income of fishermen through the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana. In this sector, an investment of about rupees 20,000 crore has been planned over the next 5 years. In order to increase the income of the farmers, the government has also launched a campaign to turn the Annadata into Urjadata. 20 lakh solar pumps are being provided to farmers under the Pradhan Mantri Kusum Yojana. Government is also encouraging production of ethanol from sugarcane, maize and paddy. Due to the affirmative policies of the government over the past 6 years, the annual ethanol production has increased from 38 crore liters to 190 crore liters. The production is expected to reach 320 crore liters this year. Ethanol is emerging as a major source for augmenting the income of farmers. Pujya Bapu had envisioned the development of self-reliant Adarsh Gram. Carrying this idea forward, my government has been working relentlessly for multifaceted development of villages. Raising the standard of living of the villagers is a priority for my government. This is best exemplified by the 2 crore houses built since 2014 for the poor families living in villages in the country. Stop.